So at the start of the day, it looked like it was rotating on the 4H chart. So I anticipated kind of a rotation day today. Then the A period went up, took out the overnight high, which is that orange line at the top. You have that thick green line, which is yesterday's volume profile value area high. And then the thick green line at the bottom is the value area low of yesterday. So we're in yesterday's range. As we went up, the C period got rejected out of that upper node. So I shorted as we come back up to it in the next time period. And I'm looking for right in here. I'm looking for basically if that was going to step up. That's why I took the first order right there. And then because it's summer and there's no news today, I was looking for, I want to take that first target off sooner. Ultimately, I thought we would, which is what I'm pointing out there, we would rotate. And I thought they wanted to complete that rotation after sweeping the high, the overnight high. They would want to sweep that overnight low, or at least, get down in this area. And they've been working on that 900 level, but I just had a feeling that they would want to finish that rotation, which that thick green line at the bottom right there is also the value area low from yesterday. So it made sense that they would want to get down there. I keep working this stop down. I get a little, I played a little bit too tight right here. I should have left it right there and I would have got that entire move, but then it comes back and takes me out. And then as we did dip down into that highlighted area, I caught it here on the way back up. So again, I didn't think that this was going to, extend lower. We weren't getting any volume underneath the overnight low or that value area of yesterday. So as we come back in and took back the overnight low, I put in kind of a feeler here, and I want to get one more contract in. But I want to see it, basically push a little higher. I'm looking for, some type of commitment right in here. I'll add another contract. And then I'm looking at that 5-minute chart and I want to see us push over that 900. So we reclaim that area, and then you'll see it in the 5-minute chart. It'll do a little pullback, and whether it makes a candle or not, that doesn't matter. But what I'm really looking at is that it comes back and tests that 900 level and accepts it. And then that becomes my next right there. It's going to do it. So that becomes my next reclaimed level. I should have added contracts here. I just didn't. It was just hesitation. And then it was just kind of too late. I missed my opportunity. So the first contract, I would like to get back to basically I'm looking at the overnight POC, which is very close to where we are right now. So again, I want to take that first contract off because it's summer and there isn't any news. So I wasn't really anticipating, big smooth moves. It kind of starts to slow down here. And I think looking back at it now, I took it a little bit early. But, like I said, I was really focused on getting that first contract off. And then when this come back, you can see it retest that 900. So I bring my stops down to get under that 900. And I figured if it give up the 900, I don't want to be in it anymore. I'll figure something else out, or maybe I'll get a chance to get in it lower. But it does, that 900 saves it. And as we get back up to that, kind of that overnight POC there, I'll take this first contract off. You can see how much time I'm giving it. And I have this sped up, this is sped up about 3 times as much. So I take that first contract off. So it is grinding around at that level quite a bit. And then I'm trying to get back to the POC on this second one. Normally I would try to play these, the entire way. And later in the day, I did get one that went kind of the same thing where it dipped down below and I caught it on the way back. And that one I did play some of the position. And right there, I took the last one right before the POC. But I did play that one all the way back. But these ones, you weren't getting those nice smooth moves. So I was just playing back to the POC.